Hello, Jessica Frost-Ballas here and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm sharing a fun way to continue a cheery card message scene from the front of the card to the inside. So let's get started. First, I blend my background sky using the Slimline Cloudy stencils and Distress Oxide inks. I use blending brushes to blend Blueprint Sketch, Salty Ocean, and Tumbled Glass Distress Oxide ink over a panel of Strathmore Bristol Smooth cardstock for a soft, cloudy sky. I alternate the two sides of the different stencils to get different looks. After I finish stenciling, I blend a little tumbled glass onto the bottom of the panel, and then I use a clean brush to soften the edges of all the clouds. Once that's dry, I trim it down to an A2 panel. Next, I've stamped the fox and bunny from Happy Hugs and Scootin' By with VersaFine and heat embossed them with clear embossing powder. I color their ears and noses with R02 and R00 Copic markers. Then I use E70s for the fox and toner grays for the rabbit. I love the warm gray-brown color of the E70 range and often reach for this color family when I want something a little different for fur color. E40 is also a great neutral color to use in combination with the E70 range for light-colored bellies or tails. I use my lightest color first, and then add shadows with my darkest color. I blend back out to the lightest color, extending the shadows with each marker. I use my lightest color to blend everything together and get rid of any harsh lines. Then I repeat the process for my bunny. Once I'm finished coloring, I die cut them with the coordinating dies. Next, I blend cracked Pistachio Distress Oxide ink onto a scrap of Strathmore Bristol Smooth cardstock and die cut it with the simple stitched hillside border die to create a ground for my running critters. Then I adhere it to my cloud panel. I die cut the giant Sending Big Hugs word die from black licorice cardstock and adhered it to the center of my card panel. Then I added both running critters on either side of the sentiment with foam mounting tape. On the inside of an A2 card base, I stamped a sentiment from Happy Hugs and adhered the hugging critters as if they finally reached each other. I don't know about you, but I'm waiting for the day where I can finally hug my friends I haven't seen in months, and I thought this card would be perfect to send them while we're still waiting. Off camera, I finished the card with a cheery bird couple from Happy Hugs and a few white gel pen accents on the Sending Big Hugs sentiment. And that's it! You can find more information on the products I used in the YouTube description below. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up, and I'd love for you to subscribe to my channel. If you do subscribe, make sure you click the bell so you're notified the next time I post. Here are a few more videos you might be interested in, and until next time, have a fantastic day and happy crafting. Bye!